I'm so honored and grateful and happy to be here with you. So please come to any comfortable seated position and feel free to also utilize any cleansing method that you have that you prefer. So I'm going to be just spraying this blue lotus purple flower sage. So even if you don't have anything, just feel the mist of this cleansing spray coming through to you virtually. And I'm going to be also calling in assistance and the energy from this smoky quartz crystal that's shaped in Merkabah. So Merkabah is a sacred geometry. So you can just take a moment to look at it and just receive and absorb the energy of this Merkabah. And Merkabah connects you to your higher self, balancing out the light and dark, bringing the energy from above to below, as above, so below. So we're going to be focusing on just getting grounded and balanced in today's Distance Reiki session. So it's going to be a very powerful, yet brief, but very powerful practice. So please come to any comfortable seated position or lying down position and start to take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. Full inhale. Let your whole torso fill up. Let's sigh out, couple exhales through your mouth. And just take a couple cleansing breaths to just release any tension, stress, anxiety, and allow yourself to come into your sacred space and open up to receive the Distance Reiki healing. So keep breathing in and out through your nose as you relax, readjust your clothing, arm position, leg position, to just let go and be. If you're seated, you can even sit back, maybe go further back into your chair so that you can lean back without just tilting too much. Be sure that your feet are grounded if you're seated. And just know that Reiki works for your highest good and highest good of all. And all you have to do is relax and receive. And you will be receiving anything that's perfect for you to receive right now. Body, mind, emotions, and spirit. So keep breathing in and out through your nose. Feel free to sigh out your exhale through your mouth as you need. And I'll be calling in assistance from the guides. And you're welcome to call in any guides that you would like to call in for assistance for your highest good. Only allowing assistance from those that are highest vibration. That's working for your highest good and highest good of all. So as you adjust any clothing, your arm position, leg position, to find your most relaxed, comfortable position to receive. Keep letting go of any effort to hold yourself up. So as I'm sending distance Reiki to you, you might feel heat or coolness in certain part of your body, tingling or dancing of energy anywhere on your skin or even slightly off of your skin. Or you might not feel anything, but just know that you are receiving exactly what you need and you are perfect as you are. And you're able to just let go, knowing that you are safe, you are supported. Start to visualize beautiful, sparkling, golden light coming far above from that universal source energy down through the crown of your head, in through your heart, expanding at your heart center to receive all the healing that you need right now. Start to let your breath settle to natural breathing as you soften through your heart center. And let each inhale expand your capacity to receive, using your exhale to let go of any resistance, any heaviness from your heart center. Letting go of anything that's holding you back or obstructing you from receiving. Feel free to sigh out your exhale. Feeling more relaxed, releasing into all the support beneath you. And then allow this sparkling golden light to keep traveling down from your heart center through the navel center, down through your legs, into the earth, releasing deep into the center of the earth, rooting you. Again, releasing anything that's holding you back, anything that's preventing you from receiving the healing that you need. Releasing anything that's no longer serving you. Transmuting to positive energy as it releases into the earth. Connecting to that center point of the earth. A crystalline 5D grid of unity. Uniting masculine and feminine in perfect balance of the 0 point, the womb energy of creation, from the Mother Earth, Gaia. And then allow yourself to be completely supported by this Merkabah energy. So you can visualize the crystal that I just showed you at the beginning of the session. Allow that to grow, filling up your whole body from the crown of your head to your toes, with one triangle pointing up, one triangle pointing down, completely encompassing your whole body with that Merkabah energy. Connecting to your higher consciousness, allowing you to expand your consciousness, to manifest. Allow yourself to feel any emotions that arise, completely accepting anything that presents itself as is in the present moment. Allow yourself to feel. Let the emotions be cleansed by giving yourself permission to feel and accept any emotions, whether it's positive or negative, letting go of any judgment, but fully accepting with gratitude. Compassion. See where you can open up to receive more, observing where you feel the Reiki healing without trying to make anything happen. Simply receive, relax, observe in that neutral state of equanimity. So the Merkabah energy helps you to connect with that unity consciousness, allowing you to initiate equanimity by first releasing any negativity, emotions, limited belief, any thoughts that are holding you back. Take another big exhale through your mouth and let go of all that's no longer serving you, cleansing and freeing you to connect with this energy of unconditional love, gratitude, compassion. Observe the silence. Allow the Reiki energy to flow through you. raising your vibration, clearing any pain, any healing you need, mind, body, emotions, and spirit. Keep reminding yourself you are supported, you are safe, accepting everything as is at this moment, initiating equanimity, a neutral space, connecting to that 0 point, the point of creation, source energy. Next exhale, let your whole back body release into the earth. Feel free to sigh out a few more exhales through your mouth. And I'm going to be ringing this tuning fork, 528 hertz, which is the frequency of love and miracles. So simply listen and receive. And start to deepen and lengthen your breath. Wiggling your fingers, your toes, and feel free to just shrug your shoulders up and down. And feel free to make any other movements to help you transition out of your rest, out of your practice. You're seated, just wiggle around to help you mindfully come out of your practice. And then when you're ready, if you're lying down, feel free to lie down and rest as long as you want. Or if you are ready to come up, please bend your knees, roll to your right side, and then gently come up to a comfortable seated position. Bringing your palms together at your heart center. Lifting your heart towards your thumbs as you bow down. Taking a moment to give yourself gratitude for showing up for yourself, for self-care. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your evening. Please drink lots of water and be very gentle and compassionate with yourself. Feel free to journal your experience and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.